Hello students, in today's video we will be having a small revision of chapter 1 and 2 of our science book, that is the circulatory system and the skeletal system. In this video I'll be discussing some of the more probable questions, so it will be better if you keep a pen and a copy beside you and keep on taking notes. Before I start, I would like to mention that in the last video one of you have said that my handwriting is not clear and it is difficult for you to read it. I feel that won't be a problem, that is not supposed to be a problem, because I read out the answers loud enough and more than twice I believe, and I also read out, like I spell out the words for you all. So if you are having any problem while noting it down, you can rehear the audio. So when you hear it once again, I feel that will be that won't create any problem. So let us start on with our today's class. First I will be discussing all the questions that are given in your book from the circulatory system. Then we'll go to the skeletal system. So first there is a checkpoint, there is a title named checkpoint in your book. It has some questions. Let's discuss that. Okay, so checkpoint 1, question number 1, name the liquid part of the blood. I repeat, name the liquid part of the blood. The answer is plasma. Plasma. I repeat, plasma. So the liquid part of the blood is plasma. Next, the distributing blood vessels of body. We have to name it. I repeat, the distributing blood vessels of body. The answer is artery. ARTERY. I repeat, ARTERY. So the distributing blood vessels of the body are arteries. Next question, the blood vessels which have valves. I repeat, name the blood vessels which have valves. The answer is veins. VEINS. I repeat, VEINS. So the blood vessels which have valves are veins. The last part, the blood vessels which are 1 cell thick. Name the blood vessels which are 1 cell thick. The answer is capillaries. CAPILLARIES. I repeat, CAPILLARIES. Now we'll go on to the next part, that is checkpoint 2. The first question is, see, these are fill in the blanks, okay? So the first question is, the dash is a pumping organ of the body. I repeat, the dash is a pumping organ of the body. It is an easy question. The answer is heart. HEART. So the heart is a pumping organ of the body. Next question, our heart has dash chambers. I repeat, our heart has dash chambers. The answer is, our heart has 4 chambers. FOUR, 4 chambers. So the answer is, our heart has 4 chambers. Next, the dash of the heart pumps pure blood. I repeat, the dash of the heart pumps pure blood. The answer is the left ventricle. I repeat, the left ventricle of the heart pumps pure blood. LEFT, left ventricle. VENTRICLE. I repeat, LEFT, left ventricle. VENTRICLE. So the left ventricle of the heart pumps pure blood. Next question, dash are deep breathing yogic exercises. I repeat, dash are deep breathing yogic exercises. The answer is pranayam. I repeat, pranayam are deep breathing yogic exercises. P-R-A-N-A-Y-A-M. I repeat, P-R-A-N-A-Y-A-M. Pranayam are deep breathing yogic exercises. Now we will do the exercises, like exercises after the exercises that are in your book after the chapter. Okay, we'll start with true or false. The first question is, pulmonary veins carry pure blood. We'll have to say whether it is true or false. So I repeat, pulmonary vein carry pure blood. The answer is true. I'll help you to recall. We all know arteries carry oxygenated blood, veins carry deoxygenated blood. But there is an exception. Pulmonary vein is a vein, but it carries oxygenated blood. Pulmonary artery is an artery, but it carries deoxygenated blood. So these are the exception. So the question is, pulmonary veins carry pure blood? The answer is true. Next, human heart has 3 chambers. I repeat, human heart has 3 chambers. The answer is false, because we all know the human heart has 4 chambers. The upper 2 are called the auricles and the lower 2 are called the ventricles. So here the question was, human heart has 3 chambers, so the answer will be false. Next, the right half of human heart passes impure blood. I repeat, the right half of human